Good morning to all. Myself Veeramani, working as assistant professor in the stream of Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering in Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College. Today we are going to discuss about AI tool. It is called Quizly. In Quizly, it consists of a question generator, then image generator, online tutor, audio to text converter, and then audio to text, then text to audio converter, then code generator, then AI rewriter. Okay, in this question generator, it consists of a different questions type, that is multiple choice questions, open-ended questions, true or false question, and the calculation or teacher tools based question. First, we have to going to discuss about a Word, PDF, or text document. In this Word document, just you give how many questions you want to conduct the test. Then second one is just you paste a content. For example, I take a capacitive transducer. Just you copy this capacitive transducer content, then paste it in this box. Then you choose a university level questions that in questions itself it generate the answers. Then you click the generate. In this capacitive transducer, it generate a 5 different questions. This one is the first question, then second, third, fourth, fifth question. These are all the answer key. Next type of question is a link based questions. Just you copy the link, that is capacitive transducer. Just you copy this link and put in this link box. Just I entered a 5 different questions with 5 different answers. You click a generate. For capacitive transducer based questions, 5 questions it generate. This one is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth question. These are all the answer keys. Next type of question is a topic based questions. Just you click a topic called a control systems. That I entered a control systems. In that control systems, I want 5 questions. Just you click the generate. It generate a 5 different questions, that is based on control system. This one is the first question, second question, third question, fourth, fifth, and these are the answer keys. The next type of question is a video link. Just you enter video. You can, this one is the video. Just you enter the video and then click generate. It will generate a different questions. Next one is image generator. Just you type the image what you want. Just type a sensor. Okay, in that sensor it will generate a image. This one is the result tab. In result tab itself it will generate a sensor image. This is the sensor image. Just you click and see. This one is the sensor image. Next one is online tutor. In this online tutor, it consists of different teachers. The first one is chemistry, history, calculus teacher, then psychology teacher. Just you enter the name and start the session based on online tutor. This one is the math, computer science, economics, and biology. Then audio to text. Just you choose a audio file in this tab and move to generate. It will create a text. Next one is text to audio. Just you type a text here. You type a text here. That one is I just enter a control systems. It will generate here audio type. This one is
Control systems.
control systems. Just you download
Control
this
systems.
audio file also. Next one is code generator. Type a code what you want. I just enter a code called Fibonacci series. I want a Java coding. Just you click the generate button. It will generate a code Fibonacci series. Where in this code we want to use in this code in our project, that a number of projects are available. Just to use a sensor projects or control systems project, whatever you want. These are all the AI rewriter tool. This one is the AI content detector, and this one is the team. This is the Quizly AI tool. Just to create a question, or you can create a code. Thank you.